Hey, this is Flo, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the new Async Image for iOS 15 in SwiftUI 3. At the moment, this only works in the Xcode beta, which you can download from the Apple developer website. In a few months, it will also be available in regular Xcode once the new macOS version is out. Okay, so what does Async Image do? It's actually really helpful. It allows you to download an image from a web URL and display it in your app all asynchronously. So the downloading does not block the main thread and the rest of the UI can already be built and interacted with. This is possible because Async Image also allows you to provide a placeholder. And let me just show you how easy it actually is to use. So I'll zoom in a bit here. Let's remove the placeholder text and let's add an async image. As you can see, there are a couple of initializers, and I actually think the most handy one is this one with a URL, the content, and the placeholder. So it's pretty straightforward. To the URL, you just pass a URL to some image. Then in the content, let's transform this into a training closure. You will get the image once it was created, asynchronously of course, and then in here you could use it just like any other image. So you can, for example, say it should be resizable, it should be scaled to fit, and it should have a frame with a width of, let's say, 200 and a height of also 200. And then while it is loading, you can also provide SwiftUI with a placeholder. So in here we could just put an image named placeholder, which I have added to my asset catalog here, and also just copy over all of these modifiers just to make it easy, just like this. And now, as you can see in the preview on the right hand side, the placeholder is already displayed. Now let me grab an image URL here from my test file. Okay, let's just paste this in here. It's just from Unsplash. You can use any image, any URL. Let's resume the canvas. Okay, as you can see, while the app is not actually running, so this is just a static preview, the placeholder is shown. Now I press run, the placeholder is shown, and once the image loaded, the placeholder is replaced with the image. So it's this easy to now use web-based images or images from the web in your SwiftUI apps without needing to use, for example, SD Web Image, which was a very common framework before. If you enjoyed this quick video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.